In this session, I am going to explain about adder and subtractor. First, we'll see the introduction about adder and subtractor. In a digital logic circuit, an adder and subtractor is a circuit that is capable of adding or subtracting numbers. Adding or subtracting binary numbers depends on a control signal. It is also possible to construct a circuit that performs both addition and subtraction at the same time. What is a adder? What is a subtractor? Adder is a combinational circuit that is used to add the bits. It is classified into two types. They are half adder, full adder. Subtractor is a combinational circuit that is used to subtract the bits. Subtractors are classified into two types. They are half subtractor and full subtractor. First we'll see half subtractor. First we'll see half adder. Half adder is a combinational circuit that performs the addition of two single bits. It contains two inputs and produces two outputs. See the block diagram. The inputs are denoted as A and B, are called as AND, and the outputs are denoted as sum and carry. Here sum is represented as S and carry is represented as C. Before going to see the truth table of the half adder, let us first get an idea about the binary addition. When 0 is added with 0, the output is 0. 0 is added with 1, you will get 1. 1 is added with 0, you will get 1. 1 is added with 1, you will get 1, 0. Now look at the truth table. The two input variables are A and B and the values are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Then the two output variables are sum and carry. Now we'll find sum and carry for the four values. If A is 0, B is 0, then 0 plus 0 is 0. So sum is 0. There is no carry, so put 0 for carry. The second row, A is 0, B is 1. So 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So sum is 1, carry is 0. In the third row, A is 1, B is 0. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So sum is 1, there is no carry, so carry is 0. In the last row, A is 1, B is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. That is, sum is 0 and carry is 1. See, from the truth table, we will generate a Boolean function. The Boolean function for the sum is A bar B plus A B bar. And the Boolean function for the carry is A and B. How will you get these Boolean functions? See the second row, the sum is 1. So take that row. And the third row, the sum is also 1. So take that row also. Put bar for 0. So A is 0. So put bar for A. In the third row, B is 0. So put bar for B. So you will get S equal to A bar B plus A B bar. Similarly for the carry side, in the carry you will get 1 in the fourth row. There is, so carry equal to A and B. Next we will see the logic diagram. To draw logic diagram, we need Boolean expression. It can be obtained using K-map. So K-map is used for drawing logical diagram. K-map is a Karnaugh map. It is in the form of sum of product. The equation for the truth table is, I already said, S equal to A B bar plus A bar B. It is also written as S equal to A exclusive or B. Now see the K-map for the output variable S. The values are represented in the K-map table. So this is a two variable K-map. The variables are A, B. So first value A, B bar is represented as 1 and A bar B is also represented as 1. So from this K-map we will generate A bar B plus A B bar. Now see the K-map for the output variable carry C. So A and B are the two variables. So you see the K-map table, the AB is 1. The equation can be obtained from this K-map is C equal to A and B. Now look at the logic diagram. This logic diagram shows both sum and carry. Next we'll see full adder. Adding of carry is not possible in off adder. To overcome this limitation, full adders are implemented. It is an arithmetic combinational logic circuit that performs addition of 3 single bits. It contains 3 inputs. The inputs are A, B, C in and produces 2 output, sum and C out. See the block diagram where C in is carry in, C out is carry out. Next we'll see the truth table for full adder. There are 3 inputs. So 2 power 3 is equal to 8. So we need 8 values. The 8 values are listed in the truth table. A, B, C in, that is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Using the binary addition logic, find the sum and find the C out. Let us see the first row. Here the first row A0, B0, C in is 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So sum is 0 and the C out is 0. See the second row. A is 0, B is 0, C in is 1. So 0 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So sum is 1. There is no carry. So C out is, carry out is 0. See the fourth row. A is 0, B is 1, C in is 1. So 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Again 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. So sum is 0 and carry out is 1. Now see the last row. A equal to 1, B equal to 1, C equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is 1. Again 1 is added with 1. You will get 1, 1. That is sum is 1 and the carry out is 1. In this way the truth table can be formed. The Boolean equation can be obtained by using K-map. K-map is in the form of sum of product. Sum of product means ANDing of all the minterms and then ORing the minterms. See the truth table. Take the row whose sum is 1. So take the second row because the output sum is equal to 1. So first find the min term for the second row. See, the second row input values are a equal to 0, b equal to 0, c in is equal to 1. So the min term is a bar, b bar, c in. Put a bar for 0. Then in the third row also the output sum is equal to 1. So find the min term for that row also. So min term for the third row is a bar, b, c in bar. Similarly, in the fifth row, the min term value is a, b bar, c in bar. And the last row, the min term value is a, b, c in. Now, see the equation. ORing all the min terms, you will get the sum. So it can be represented in the K-map table. So see the K-map table, there are 3 variables. So 8 values, 8 values can be formed. See, the row side is denoted by A and the column side is denoted by BC. The first cell is marked as A bar, B bar, C in bar. And the second cell is marked as A bar, B bar, C in. Third cell is marked as A bar, B, C. Fourth cell is marked as A bar, B, C bar. So likewise it goes on. So each cell is represented as min term. So in the truth table, whose output value of the sum is equal to 1, that value will be marked 1 in the K-map table. So first row, second column, that is 0, 0, 1 is marked as 1. The min term of 0, 0, 1 is A bar, B bar, C in. Similarly, in the first row, fourth column is marked as 1. The min term is 0, 1, 0, that is A bar, B, C in bar. In the second row, first column is marked as A, B bar, C in bar. And the second row, third column is 1, 1, 1. The min term is A, B, C. Likewise, the values are marked in the K-map table using the truth table. After that, we can derive the equation for the output variable sum. So sum equal to ORing all the min terms. So A bar, B bar, C in plus A, B bar, C in bar plus A, B, C plus A bar, B, C in bar. That is C in is carry in. After simplification of this form, you will get S equal to A exclusive or B exclusive or C input. Similarly, find the equation for the output variable C out. Here also, the min term for the output variable C out is marked as 1 in the K-map table. So, after simplifying the K-map table, the following equation can be obtained. That is, carry out equal to BC in plus AB plus AC in. So this is the logic diagram for full adder. Next we will see the off subtractor. Off subtractor is a combinational logic circuit designed to perform subtraction of two single bits. It contains two inputs A and B and produces two outputs. The inputs are A and B and the outputs are difference and borrow output. See the block diagram. A and B are the input and difference, borrow out are the output. And then form the truth table for the of subtractor. Before going to form the truth table, let us see the subtraction logic first. The subtraction logic for the binary number is 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 minus 0 equal to 1. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Now look at the truth table. A and B are the two input variable. So we need 4 values. And then the output variable is D, that is difference, and borrow out BO. Find the difference of the first row. In the first row, A equal to 0, B equal to 0. Subtracting A minus B, that is 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. So difference is 0 and borrow output is also 0. In the second row, A equal to 0, B equal to 1. We cannot subtract 0 from 1. So your borrow must be needed. So difference is 1 and borrow is 1. In the third row, A is 1, B is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. So there is no borrow. Put 0 for the borrow output. In the fourth row, 1 minus 1. That is A is 1, B is 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 and borrow is also 0. So this is a K-map simplification for the output variable D. Look at the truth table once again. The difference output for the second and third row will be 1. So mark those row minterms in the K-map table. So the second row minterm value of 0, 1 is A bar B, and third row is selected because the difference is 1. So selected third row and find the minterm A is 1, B is 0, so A, B bar. Then ORing all the minterm, you will get the Boolean function. So look at the K-map table. A and B values are shown. In the first row, first cell, that is first row, first column, the first cell value is A bar, B bar, and the second cell value is A bar, B, and in the second row, the first cell is A is 1, B is 0, 1, 0, that is A, B bar, and fourth cell is 1, 1, that is A, B. So see the truth table. The second and third difference is 1. So take that value. So put 1 for the A bar B and A B bar. So the equation can be obtained for the output variable D equal to A bar B plus A B bar. It can be logically written as A exclusive or B. Similarly, find the KMF for output variable borrow output. So look at the truth table once again. In the borrow output, the second row only got the value 1. So take the second row only, find the minterm, the value is 0, 1. So A bar B, marked A bar B in the KMF table as 1. So the equation can be obtained from K-map is borrowed equal to A bar B. In this way, the Boolean functions can be derived using the K-map. This is the logic diagram for of subtractor. In this logic diagram, the difference and borrow output both are shown. Next we will see the full subtractor. The full subtractor is a combinational logic circuit designed to perform subtraction of 3 single bits. It contains 3 inputs. and produces two outputs. See the block diagram. The inputs are A, B, B in, that is borrow in, and the outputs are difference, that is D. Borrow output is represented as B out. So this is the truth table for the full subtractor. Here also 3 input variable is used. So 2 power 3 is equal to 8. So we need 8 values. So the 8 values are listed in the truth table A, B, B in. And then using the subtraction logic, find the difference and borrow output. Based on the output, draw the K-map. See the truth table. In the difference output, the second row, third row, fifth row and last row got the value 1. So find the minterm for that row and mark it in the K-map. Afterwards, ORing all the minterms, we will get the equation. So therefore, the K-map simplification for the output variable D equal to A bar, B in plus A, B bar, B in bar plus A, B in plus A bar, B in. After simplifying this equation, we can generate A exclusive or B exclusive or B in. In the same way, draw the K-map for the output variable B out. The equation can be obtained from this K-map is borrow out equal to B in plus A bar B plus A bar B in. So this is the logic diagram for the full subtractor.